How to fix Spotify if it's not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify if it's not working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here we'll find Spotify. Now just go to storage, clear data, click on it and then click OK, and then go to data usage, enable all of those here: Wi-Fi, background data and mobile data, and then go to permissions, enable storage. Here we'll find it, enable it, and then just restart your phone and go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.